seen those viral AI videos where someone is taking selfies with famous actors or politicians? Today, I'll show you exactly how you can create the same viral AI video step by step. First of all, take a clear selfie. Make sure your face is visible, the lighting is good, and the background is simple. A good selfie gives much better AI results. Now, open the Higgsfield website. You'll find the link in the description. Once the website opens, go to the image section. Here, select Nano Banana Pro. Now upload two images. First, upload your selfie. Second, upload the image of the famous person you want to create the selfie with. Next, choose the image size. Select 16 by 9 for desktop or YouTube videos, or choose 9 by 16 for Reels and Shorts. Now, paste the image prompt. The prompt is available in the description. After that, click Generate. Once the image is created, repeat the same process with another famous person. This way, you'll have multiple AI images ready. Now go to the video section. Select the model Kling 2.5. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Set the resolution to 1080p. Now upload the first AI image as the starting frame. Upload the second AI image as the ending frame. Paste the video prompt. The prompt link is also in the description. Now click Generate. Once the video is ready, download it. If you have multiple clips, combine them using Adobe Premiere Pro or any video editing software you like. Add smooth transitions and background music to make the video more engaging. And that's it. You've just created a viral AI selfie video perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. This is 99 Reviews. Thanks for watching.